In today's compilation, we will be exploring some of Jamaica's most fascinating historic sites. From the ruins of the Mt Vernon Estate in St. Thomas to the majestic Georgia Great House in Trelawny, each location holds a unique story that defies the conventional narratives that we've been taught. So let's dive into these historic ruins and uncover the rich heritage of our island together. Here, pulling up on me. Yeah guys, so today we are back in Trelawny. We're at the Idol Great House, but this is not what I'm filming today. I'm just starting the vlog here. We will be heading to the Vale Royal Plantation, the Vale Royal Estate and the Great House. Alright guys, so we'll check out that, so follow me.
Check in, blessed.
Yeah man.
Blessed love, Godfrey outside. And Alex.
Yes man.
How you mean?
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down. All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us.
Come around, look for them, you know. Holy, that's up.
I don't know what's spot today, you know that.
No, yes, sir. Just
Come here. Then now get up in there.
Yeah?
Now we get in there. The last time I was at Idol, I did not get a chance to see inside of the windmill tower because it's all overgrown. But luckily, Godfrey's here. Godfrey loves to climb and he will be climbing up to the windmill tower to see if we can see inside. So stay tuned. One supposed to be around at the front. Yeah. No. One entrance supposed to run at the front where you can walk, but you know. Godfrey loves climbing up. Here, pulling up on me. Can I see that? Yo. Wind there. Yeah man, a windmill up on it. The mill still in there? Yeah, that me I saw an entrance on our front. Okay.
Doorway now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Up after like doing a like one of them.
Oh, like one upstairs doorway.
Yeah. And you can see around the building. Up inside.
Yeah?
So it's like a tower that come up at the store.
Okay.
Right after the two stores. Hold them in the building.
You hold them in there?
Yeah, go right.
Oh. We're trying them. We're in Trelawny today, and at this moment we are searching for the Vale Royal Great House and Estate. Alright, but we kind of have a little difficulty. We found this entrance. Godfrey up there search. It seems that it was a cattle pen. Him kind of confirm it. I'll show you all that, guys. Alright. Oh, you reach over there. Show it. Yeah, guys, so yeah, man, it was a cattle pen for sure. These are the cattle pen feed. You know, so over this of you left it too. It's like it was a cattle pen feed.
See where they walk up and would go in a vehicle over the place. You know what I mean?
Yeah, guys, this is how it looks. We have over here. So from the outside, so it was a break in the wall right here. Yeah, guys, so we still are searching for Vale Royal. We're not finding it yet, but we think we're close. Just the fact that we have found this seems to have been the cattle pen for the estate. Alright, so not sure, but we're not gonna know, guys. Yeah, peeps, so this is all out by the main look. Back out the road. Yeah, guys, so coming up on the road, we saw this wall alongside the road, and I look on it and I say, this is not like a man-made wall, it's a natural wall. Look at those stones that would have been used to make this wall, guys. Now, I don't really know if it's a wall or not, but then we see an entrance in the wall, like a cave where you can go through and go over the next side, so it seems as if it is a wall. Now wind up the window then, God. Yeah, guys, so this is how it looks, and this right here seems to be an entrance. Is that tower this way? There's a hole this. Oh, up there, not up there.
No. This is a hole.
Look here, guys.
Look at it.
You catch me? Yeah, peeps. There's a hole where dig out in the ground, so that become an entrance. But I still have to like stone down in it, yo.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
That me no do. Well neat road come through there, so. And if you notice, look bro, the parking of the base up there, so them place there like a pop them.
Like a pocket pop down?
Place there, the park of the so. This is after for some reason.
Nothing up here. Nothing at all up here, guys.
And them a farm down a bottom.
Just
there.
the wall.
Oh, the light and power man them that.
To go through.
Yeah. Yeah, I could go up down. You can walk up on the road, go. You will come over. I walk on.
From the information I found after filming, this was actually a rock quarry. This was where they got the cut stones to build the Georgia Great House mansion. Also, there is a picture which I'm going to be sharing on screen which shows the location of the house in regards to the quarry or the works. Yeah guys, as I said, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I up here very well, but we saw a house up on the hill, guys, where we have to check it out. Around the corner around here. Alright, so that we are doing. There's a difference to it, funny, you know.
A man made something that, you know.
Man made something, them dig it out.
And another entrance in there could all black lead to somewhere. Remember the ancestors work when invasion come through too, you know, man. Cause that look old, ancient, as it grow like a mountain. Even the front part, that's how it cut to go in. You see how them big stone down there, so we cut and shape flat, and how them base and all the one them were going up.
Big stone them look like, actually it's a truck that gone up there, son. Big stone them just look like them put there.
Them put there. The one them down at the front where the wall there, so.
I understand.
Oh, and something can help that. Road look historic too, you know.
Different kind of stone, you know.
Different kind of stone, you know.
One of the house there, you know. That one really covered, but you have to watch your six when you come at them places.
I would hope so.
You hear that?
Yes, man, that's how it works, man. Knowledge of power, man.
One of the house there, man.
We know.
You can't do nowhere, so part else is there.
You see me?
Tell me now,
Go right.
Right, now go.
To look on that side.
Go part else is there. Turn around and see there. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah guys, so I'll check the building here and see if this is the building that we look for. I think of it, but I'm not sure. Monument over there, good the wall, man. I'm gonna see if this we look for. At the time of filming this video, we really thought we were on our way to find the Vale Royal Great House. However, after reviewing these video clips and doing research to confirm my findings, I realized that this was actually the Georgia Great House and Plantation. So forgive me guys, in this clip you will hear me refer to this house as the Mt Vernon Estate or the Mt Royal Great House. However, this is the Georgia Great House and Plantation.
Old stone building, like I used in our
Colonial house. The next one's supposed to be behind it now. But the Georgia Estate is a remarkable historical property, deeply rooted in Jamaica's rich and diverse cultural heritage. The estate is situated in the parish of Trelawny, and its earliest record dates back to 1778, when it was purchased by the Honourable John Grant, a Scottish planter. Grant was a member of the Grant family of Castle Grant in Moray, Scotland. He was a prominent planting attorney in Western Jamaica. In addition to his role as a planter, he served as the Chief Justice of Jamaica from 1783 to 1790. No, this is an old house too. It's another tower. Let me read that sign. Trespassers will be prosecuted. Guys, I'm not trespassing. So if you see that video, I'm not trespass. Now actually create content that people can watch and be educated about our history. Alright? More building around here now. Hello? You have to call. Nobody can there. Georgia Estate was initially a sugar plantation, producing 140 hogsheads of sugar annually. However, Grant believed that the property had the potential to produce at least 200 hogsheads of sugar a year, and saw its purchase as not only a bargain, but a shrewd investment. Yeah, I can look a better look. Yeah guys, look at this. Yep. In 1778, shortly after he bought Georgia Estate, Grant offered to resell the plantation to his friend Charles Gordon, a Scottish aristocrat. Gordon accepted the offer and purchased the Georgia Estate for an undisclosed sum. Right here. So this is another side of the building right here. This looks like one of the outer house. I'm like, I don't know what it is. I'm going inside, but look.
You want me to
Give me a hand.
But let me be honest with you.
Piece of concrete that a chimney.
That something like, you know.
Chimney the
I
up
mean,
in the
want
tree.
to go, try go up there.
There guys, a chimney the up in the tree, guys. Grow up through the tree.
And it grow through the tree, grow right round them place
Right
there, the
round it.
building. Grow, take over them place
Yeah,
there.
guys.
You see me?
Like a cooking here right now. Chimney and sink there, so. The original house over there, you know, Godfrey. This was part of the original house. Stretch around them, isn't it? If you go back, you see it. Before leaving Jamaica in 1793, Gordon appointed the Honorable John Grant and his younger brother Francis Grant as planting attorneys for the management of Georgia Estate. Francis Grant managed the plantation until 1793, after which the Gordon family continued to own it until 1894. During this time, the plantation was divided between their country estate at Cairns in Perthshire, Scotland, and their sugar plantations in Jamaica. Thereafter, the Georgia Estate and Great House was occupied by a succession of planting attorneys during their absence. In 1894, Charles Thomas Gordon, the last of the Gordon family to own Georgia Estate, sold the plantation to his planting attorney in Jamaica, Archibald Cunningham Uchen. Uchen bought the property in partnership with Frank John Constable Curtis, a West India merchant in London who was senior partner in the firm of Curtis, Campbell and Company that owned extensive amounts of sugar plantations in the British West Indies. So I'm not sure what this building was, but this is on the estate. So, you know the tree literally covered the chimney? You can't see it from no angle, you know? I can see in the chimney, but nothing else. Godfrey. Yeah. Yo, where there? Yeah. Oh. You see you, man. Energy no good over that place. Yeah. Guys, that are inside of the chimney. That's inside of the chimney, guys. In 1935, Frank John Constable Curtis formed a new company called Stewart Castle Limited with Arnold Ethelbert Mushet, the son-in-law of Archibald Cunningham Uchen, and G.P. Dewar, the owner of Stewart Castle Estate, Harmony Hall Estate and other plantations in Trelawny. Well, the tree literally grew over the chimney, cover it up all around. In 1955, Arnold Ethelbert Mushet bought out his business partners and founded Vale Royal Estates Limited, a new company that owned Vale Royal Estate, Georgia Estate and other plantations in Trelawny. This was later sold to Longpond Estates Limited. In Trelawny, and Arnold Ethelbert Mushet retired as a sugar planter.
There's some people now trying to be safe, you know?
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
You see
They're
it.
not trying to be soft. So, shoulder one really. Yeah.
Yeah guys, so that's the house from another side. That are the great house, you know, man. Very right. Never know would I find it. As a matter of fact, I know would I find, never know would I find it so quick. You know? Rest of building and all that stuff. Yeah guys, this is another side of the building right here, and this goes all the way down, including a part with a arch. Not sure what that is for. Yeah peeps. Yeah guys, this is what in here looks like. Looks like a toilet. Yeah. And you see them board there guys? Them board there how much years, you know man. And them still there, standing. Nah rotten. See the next part over there, so. You see, them build that just like how this did for stay, you know.
Yeah,
This are the older house.
Yeah, that one there.
Bathroom there so still, no? On the other side there. This is one house part.
Yeah.
You're going there?
I don't know where they left to go.
Yes, sir. Look out for us. Oh, no entrance and they go down another part there from there, sir. Just the wall. See the guys? So now look what they over behind the building. See if not they over there. Yeah guys, I saw down this to see. The peeps. So this is rather interesting. During the time that the Mushets occupied the Georgia Great House, the Great House and its gardens were among the loveliest in Trelawny. The Georgia Great House remained a private residence until the 1970s, when it was abandoned. Consequently, the once magnificent house fell into ruin. Today, the property has been refurbished, but to the detriment of its former glory. The once beautiful property has been hideously disfigured under the guise of refurbishment. Today, what was once a beautiful house now looks hideously disfigured. The refurbished roof alone is a total travesty, an uncalled for ruination of this former classic piece of architecture. Could be. Water man, a well man. 2 wells. Yeah guys, so there are 2 wells. Very deep. The one here still having water. Godfrey, careful you know. And they still having water guys. Godfrey. This one two around at the back? Okay. I walk on the next side, I don't cross around for nothing. You see them old in the house all around, huh? The old them in the house. The house are the big build expensive, you know.
Yeah, man, it's very.
You see the arch them?
Yeah. And it's from a year old to like that.
Well old. Yeah. Can be gun hole and it can be ear hole. That's another one there, guys. Black top. No. Cause that soft one there can't swim out tight, you know. I bet you drop in the water. Cause you can't swim in the water. You can swim in the water, but you can't swim in that. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna show you around the other side of this house. That's another hole on the wall right there. Seems like these were gun holes or ear holes, I'm not sure. Could be gun holes because them two central part of the building, these were well protected. You know? So it could be gun holes. I no gun hole in a Godfrey. You know why I say so? Why they not have none around here, sir? Them have in the ground it look like them have a cellar under this. Them have hole in there, you know. Gun hole in the wall. Couple gun hole in there. Underground. Yeah, the round hole. Yeah, guys, this is the other side of the house. I'm showing you around here now. One basement under there, no Godfrey. This is the other side of the house, guys. But there is indeed a basement under here. Gun hole. Okay. Ear holes, I'm not sure what they are, but these are holes. Seems like a well over there, guys. Yeah, peeps. It's around at the back. Let's see if I can see inside. That's the inside, guys. Seems it was either they move out the thing them guys or it was ransacked. And we still not see the tower, guys. It's a beautiful view. Guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, just remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Old Jamaica, consider doing so, as it really does help the channel. Alright.
How is it look?
Looking good. Inside empty.
Alright. Inside I'm not here for. Check in and look for one then.
Let them clean out inside.
Yeah.
Guys.
Them
may look like an ear hole.
Yeah,
peeps.
see cellar, I push in there and look in there and the cellar gone right out. So. Look at this.
Yeah, man, I see it, man. See it. There, guys, now look for the next one. Okay. So yes, peeps, this is the Vale Royal Great House. I've always wanted to come here. No, it's a fountain, you know, like a bird fountain. Yeah. See it, guys. So how this is at the back of the house? That's it. Could have been the front. But them renovated for around us to become the front door. You see the step? Entrance. And they had a great view. A lovely view up here. If them cut down these, I see all over. Yeah, guys, so we move on. Yeah, peeps. Get house.
Man, elite, official, Elite Jamaica official channel.
Yeah.
Brother Alex outside.
Outside.
See him there, my people.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Godfrey and Alex out here, my people. You have
Yes,
to like.
man.
You
Share,
all can like,
subscribe.
share, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell because we research, my brother research good history, you know, my people. I know Godfrey is here with my brother, you know, we research good history. So
And that's the way how
one
to
step
really
at a
help the
time.
channel.
that's
Like, share, subscribe if you
Yeah.
love to see videos like these. And if you don't want to see more videos like these. Alright? Yes, man. So we're outside.
that is it.
We'll move on, you know, we'll try to find something else. I not really feel I want to got for big man thing. You see me? I not find a tower now. I want to find a tower. Yeah, we'll move on because we have only for time. The last time when we come to Idol, them time when I reach down here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah guys, so we're back on the hunt, on the Great House hunt. We just find the railway, we find the old one, and the one we built. The one that the new one look really astonishing, but I don't really feel that one here, peeps. So, you know me. On the journey again, I try to find something else. We want to find one tower today, guys, and I think we can find one tower. Type yes in the comment if you think we're going to find a tower. Anytime a tower, even if it's a windmill tower, alright? Yeah man, we're up on the road. So, we just see something else look like another colonial house. Okay, we're going to check that one out. Watch your now, no man Godfrey. Yeah. Guys, you know look there over there, so. You know look there. No more I feel that one. I want to see that on my face though. We just have a little allergic reaction. Yeah. Yeah guys, so this is a piece of construction. I'm not sure how we'll get inside, but feel like we can walk around on the other side going. And do the right so still now. I'm going to check around on the next side and do the round this. I'm going to check around on the next side.
As I was leaving the Georgia Great House, I came across a charming Georgian-style house perched on top of a nearby hill. Curiosity got the best of me, so I parked the car and made my way up the hill towards the house. Upon arriving, I was met by a friendly young man who greeted me and informed me that the house on the hill, which got me curious, was indeed the Georgia Estate overseer's house.
Building over there guys, but like a problem to get you. So what we have to do, I walk around at the front. Now we're not around the front. Around our next side of one door around this. Yeah, around this first. Great house, colonial house. That's a colonial house too. All of them. Yeah guys, so I check out the house here up here. So this is a colonial house. Just don't know the name of it. So we're gonna check it out. Yeah peeps, so we're in Trelawny searching for great houses here on the Old Jamaica. If you're enjoying this video so far, remember you can always subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, you know, that really helps the channel. Okay, I understand. Yeah guys, so this is another colonial house. We're showing you the front because it's occupied, so you know when I will go inside. We all can see. Got from an now block here. Yeah peeps, look at the steps guys. Real colonial style. What's your son name, bro? Georgie.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Hold on.
So, but this is one I make.
Oh, I find the one over this way, you know.
This is a different fan than one I want to say.
Oh.
And so more over so.
Over so?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to do Idol cross over the next side already, you know.
Idol too.
Easy, man.
Yeah.
And this one all house for there a long time to do.
Yeah.
Overseer house.
Yeah.
Easy, man.
But this is also
This is the original.
origin.
Okay.
I want the craft of the over so.
Okay.
The white
Alright, we have to find them, man. Is it? But this is a history. It's a real history, bro.
Yes, man.
Easy, man. Although, can I say them? They
I
kind
love
of
people come
refurbish
out
it
to
and
me,
everything.
white people come out to see me.
Now I couldn't help but wonder about its history. All I know so far is that Thomas Garden founded the Georgia Estate, which spanned over 1,389 acres of land. I want to discover as much as I possibly can about this great house and its fascinating past. If any subscriber, visitor to my channel have any information, it would be greatly appreciated. The two-story house is made of square-cut stones, likely brought from England as ballast in ships hauling sugar. Both floors were constructed of stone, and there is a large cut stone staircase to the front of the house.
House over here. As we all see in St. Thomas, the houses are different. They are different columns. These are mostly like colonial Georgian houses. They weren't built too strong like the St. Thomas one them. However, it's still part of our history, you know. These are the older houses. This was an overseer house as to what the website say. So I'm gonna share the link to the website where I get some of the information from. And just want to say thank you to that person that runs the website. And I remember the name, I'll put the name on screen. That is how I can find these places in Trelawny, because I'm not familiar with Trelawny. Now you notice this walls, guys. Look at this wall. In St. Thomas we would see more of these walls on the houses. However, they build different down here in Trelawny. Yeah, it seems that this house is occupied, so I'm not filming for long.
Although its hip roof is now covered with corrugated metal, the house's historic charm remains intact. The original kitchen outbuilding at the back of the house stands in ruins and was scarcely visible. The Georgia Estate is easily recognizable, located off the Clarkstown or Duncan's Road, just a few kilometers south of Clarkstown. Chief Justice of Jamaica John Grant bought the estate in 1778. He was also an attorney for several other estates who became wealthy from Jamaican sugar. He retired to Scotland in 1790, selling the Georgia estate to his friend Charles Gordon.
So today we're on our way going to Mt Vernon. With our muffet now, we leave out early, you know, that's why I see my sweat. Yeah? I know we're going to be able to pick up the shirt them. Now we got an invite from a citizen of the community saying that she can give us information as to where two Taino caves are located in the Mt Vernon. Akeem, your hot dog?
Yeah.
In the Mt Vernon community. So now we are in search of this lady. Yeah, and she will go look for. This was like a balcony up here, as he told you.
It'll be like, hey Rapunzel, where are you? Throw down your hair.
Yes.
You're going to climb up right now. Ooh, you're killing me. You're killing. That's it.
I know, whoever this me ask a question.
Wow. So a lady send a message to me, say she know of two caves where they up in Mt Vernon. You know about them there? It's an elderly lady.
That'll be Mrs. Frieda.
A lady named Miss Walker.
Oh, Miss Ozra.
Oh, Miss Osra?
Oh, Miss Ozra, on the road.
Them caves there?
Mm-hmm.
First of all, she can't take you to them, and the Mt Vernon them there. And you can't go in them footway the way you
No,
want.
I them something we
I don't think I'm aware, man. Don't worry about me.
I would Smith called me there about the
Sitting.
fire attack.
Say
I'm the last person to go up there with TVJ and all
yes,
that. So all you tell me, that's what I tell them they're not going to work for God.
Why?
Them something weird.
Why?
Because
yes, we can go for it.
the grip and
Yes,
traction
we
on them.
can watch it on the judge.
Up them I got direct me.
Then why we didn't go put on your long trousers and go?
Nah, man, last time I go out there, I make no money, I not go back up there.
And I make the money.
Your moment you get paid for that. Go and go for your trousers and go on.
Let me a skirt. Love me, my girl.
They say I buy a skirt. Where your name, bro?
My love me, my
Tell you about the bridge.
This is the second bridge, right?
Yeah?
This side of the bridge, you're going to see that it's fairly new at the road.
Mm-hmm.
This is the first part where it dipped to a point. There's no chance of you crossing this bridge per foot when water come down here, sir.
Okay, true.
So then build this one. This is also the 1 mile mark from down the road to here, so you're now officially entering Mt Vernon. As you
Okay.
enter across the bridge, you can see a blue sign over there. It will tell you, welcome to Mt Vernon, exactly how many kilometers.
Come go over this.
Yeah, in farmland, a man from beer work then, you know.
One from beer?
Yeah, you have the man that control this.
Yeah, so the man that in our community now out the place, the man from beer working.
You never want to start for the people in the community.
Okay, I understand. Nice.
Mt Vernon 2030 vision. Building our community through what?
Work
and
self-reliance.
alright. Which means independence of a people by an individual, therefore independent in a community. So they welcome me. So welcome to Mt Vernon. We go up and forward.
So bro, tell me about the bridge and the church.
Okay. This mission church is here over 100 years before the bridge.
Okay.
This church is built to serve the community of Mt Vernon. Before this mission church is the Baptist church, which is based about the half-mile road in a farmer dead community known as Maile.
Maile, I heard about that community.
Right. Maile is just above where we are going now. We're actually going on part of the track to Maile, to the great house that you now see.
Okay.
So this is what was introduced by the European and the English to spread the word of God. And it still stands as a symbolism of that today.
Like an ice road.
Come in, my youth.
Yeah, we found the Albion Great House. I never come here to look for this neither. I wonder what going on. I always find some things that I not look for. Anyway, find the Albion Great House. And yeah, one of the biggest houses I ever find still. A part of the wall that in the background. But I'm showing the rest side is it. My phone did not charge because it's dead. Now I have a lot of percentage, so yeah, I'm showing the house. Follow me. What I say to the people, I big up the people from morning. No?
Big up Old Jamaica, man. You see me, we're there upon the journey I go on.
Yeah, big up Beverly.
Eh?
Yeah, big up Beverly.
Beverly, big up yourself, Beverly.
People so they up in a lovely community called Mt Vernon. One of the nicest community we're going on since the other day, since we have vlog. Yeah, one of the nicest community. Allow me to tell Hakeem. Now one of the nicest community this will come in.
Yeah, man, one of the nicest community up here.
Danvers Pen never.
And up here quiet here. You see me?
Danvers Pen never welcome we.
No, Danvers Pen never welcome.
Only for meditation, man. Spiritual meditation, no?
Far.
Far.
How far?
When I want to get the real meditation, you
Well,
just come to
Mount
Mount Vernon.
Up here nice, man.
Up here nice.
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 Where your name, bro?
Silkodan represent.
Alright. You know nobody where you big up a foreign?
I'm just say big up my mother and big up my brother.
Your mother will call you, you know.
Big up yourself.
So make sure you put yourself together.
Warren Jones. And big up on
Mummy, you see the weed in her hand?
I say Ida Grace and big up yourself as Silkodan represent. I don't know the thing.
Hakeem, you know nothing in your hand?
Now nothing on more than one scissors that me use cut the bucket to my board. You see, and my one still in the car, I'm not walk with scissors.
$40.
That man here that I ain't from you. Can't buy weed.
What you down?
Give me 50 bags and some girls to go and crush off me. Rip them 2 sheets of that.
Yeah, with that.
You know with that.
So Elder, what you know about like the history up here? How the community get its name and all of them things?
History up here?
Yeah.
The history up here, you know. Here's Mt Vernon Square.
You saw Mt Vernon Square?
Yes, here's the post office. See the post office?
The post office was right here?
See there?
Right that over there, so hold on.
Right there.
Peeps, I'm showing the post office. The post office over there, so peeps.
You see it? Right there, sir. Where's my bag there?
It's all broken down.
Yeah.
Yeah?
And the school gate right there, sir. When you leave from this, you reach. You're going to go up Grass Street. You have a nice crossroad up there, sir. One carry Mealy and one carry Grass Street.
Mealy, I've been hearing about that community.
And one carry Grass Street. When you go left,
yeah,
you go Grass Street. When you go right, when you go left, you go Mealy. When you go right, you go Grass Street. But the two will take you back to a place named Mt Vernon, just like how down has a name.
So 2 Mt Vernon?
Yes.
So that are 3, because one day in New York too, you know, everywhere them own them, name it after themselves.
But Mt Vernon, they are England too.
Same thing.
Alright.
And I think one that St. Ann.
St. Ann?
Yeah.
Anyway, you see when you go up on the hill there, a big district up there, so when you, after we say up at the top of it, right, there's a nice square near Mt Vernon, you go left and reach in a Mango Row. Or you go Richmond Gap, I have go Albion Mountain.
Me hear about them places for true. So this we'll find at the Albion Great House, right?
Yeah.
This are the Albion Great House with upon right here, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, peeps with upon the
There
foundation.
are lots of plans to where the people who live in that community and don't know about too.
True. Time we need to preserve the area so that no more of the concrete not really get broken down and all of that. You understand?
So what kind of preserve you are going to do?
You are the persons
what
that...
is the manifestation about the preserve?
Alright, you are the persons that live here. You run a business here. So, say tourists come in and want to see the Great House. Are you them going to spend money with when they want a juice and all of that? So the preserving what me I talk about now, I make sure say yo, none of the wall them, you know, lick them down and all of them thing, you make it so that you can see it and all of that. One quick, yeah, go ahead.
Go and talk to me.
Go and talk to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, may I say about the preservation of the whole thing? Yeah, we are trying to preserve all of the historic sites in Jamaica because these were built by our forefathers who were taken as slaves, who worked on plantations to build them building. Yeah. The European then couldn't do it themselves. Okay. You understand? So we need to preserve them. Yeah. I mean, them don't preserve already because somebody can't now come on the property and all of that, come broke them down and all of them things.
Come on the property. What idea you have about? What idea you have? May I say it decently?
My idea?
What idea you have about the community and the preservative about to build up as we get?
Alright, this community, if all of these historic sites and points of interest in this community are preserved, not built up because you can't build up history. It now will no longer be history. Okay. If it's preserved and tourists coming out the area to come look on the place because there are a lot of persons interested in the sites who want to see it. Them coming out the community looking at that, at the same time, business in the community will get supported. Okay. Because nobody else is there where them can buy a juice or a water or food from.
What idea you have about the Great House then here? Where is the foundation?
The Great House, I realize the foundation start from down there and gone up at the top because my friend just showed me the layout of the foundation.
Okay. The friend show you, tell us the foundation of an underground?
That no, me tell him say every Great House had an underground because that's where the slave them cook and that's where them bring the food from. Me tell him say every Great House have an underground. You know where the underground is?
I said, we don't reach that yet, we don't reach
no. Me know there's an underground.
Yeah.
See me here?
Come in our community, you know.
Okay.
Okay, but me know. You see what I say?
Mm-hmm.
See where it go.
Every Great House, you remember I just told you up there say every Great House have an underground.
You tell, who you tell?
Him.
Kevin?
Yeah.
What Kevin say?
Every Great House have an underground.
Every Great House does have an underground in case of to them back in those times, like for them emergency fire escape. For them fire would be gunpowder. So you have to have a little underground system that will go to put them out somewhere else.
I want to tell you something.
Ready?
When I come no more about that car, Kevin I tell you something. Kevin has an idea to him, he medicated and he read about it. But me I tell you something now. And me are the man. What they said, we know where the history building there.
Okay.
When you go over the hill there, you see the history building? You're supposed to have 100 years now.
Wait over the hill?
Yeah.
How far?
You're there not here near Richmond.
How far? How much miles?
Talk to me calmly.
No, I excited me, I get excited now.
You're excited, I want to walk, go there. You're excited?
That me I don't know.
Don't get excited. That's how I tell you to talk to me. Because
how far? How much miles, please? Peeps,
peeps,
you know, we just a ear bow to our next.
3 to 5
No,
months.
this no fake.
From this point to
this no
Richmond,
fake.
yeah, 3 to 5
Archaeology 101, this is no fake.
So we could done with the Great House before what the history.
Okay. May I cut one at the times too?
What is it?
May I cut one at a time?
Alright, I'll tell you something. We're up on the Great House.
Yeah.
Foundation.
Yeah.
We're there with the underground then there.
Okay.
We're right there.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I ask you if it's a fake thing.
No. Elite Jamaica is not
the
fake.
The guys that take you to the Great House.
You know Clive?
Clive.
Him do overseas now.
You asked me already, you know.
Okay.
Me are saying sick now, you know.
Okay. And you didn't know the place a while ago?
Okay.
Okay. Them watch the video them too.
Educated man that you asked me about.
Alright. That man watch the video them too.
where them go look for
Him one of the person
one
them.
room where that man make you know the amount of years though we are sleeping at our house every place.
Alright.
They have one name what we call him.
Him one of the person them request so come for
Before
the
Val
community.
disappear,
man.
before Val disappear, this is Val, you know, where they call before, you know. Val, sorry for cut you. Them brother, I film for Old Jamaica. We're promoting everything but Jamaica. Everything beautiful and wonderful and amazing.
You have a problem with camera, bro?
You are those people. Now, you know Clive from America, right? He's giving this young man, this institution, you as one of the recommendation, as one of those who knows very much about the history of Mt Vernon. So we visited your pig pen before and up to the backyard there, so in the old foundation of the past. You know what I'm saying? Right, so the other one have time and opportunity
You know,
to you as a man.
Evening, sir. Formally, good evening. You know who was the owner of the great house that was here?
No.
Okay. You know any of the families? Any generation of owners?
No, that was slavery, man.
Okay.
That was not even under the English, but under the Spanish.
Under the Spanish, that is.
Listen to the man talk.
Okay, so how is this great house connected to that building up in Wakefield?
Which one of the building?
Okay, so you have the information. There's a Spanish castle and a great house up in Wakefield. I find the great house the other day. I don't find the Spanish castle. How is this connected with the great house up in Wakefield?
Well, we are really happening several of them slavery thing that they bought, and I really up here in Wakefield alone, the whole entire right back to Mount Lebanon.
Okay, I find the one at Mount Lebanon, I find the one at Cole, I find the one at Duckworth, I find the one at Petersfield that in Danvers Pen. So it's like 250 of them, and I find them one by one. Now I just find this one. But obviously they didn't have a plantation here, so they used to have them slaves somewhere else.
Yeah, them used to have plantation. They used to have coffee and sugar cane.
Coffee and sugar cane here?
Yes. Okay. Brick and thing where you see that them
because this building was built like a fort.
Yeah, those are all from in the
What I was saying to him before was that a large part of the reason why you find that there's no slave outbuildings here is that this was a kind of transport or holding center.
Yeah.
So what you'd find is that they would have mainly would come here, Albion would trade from there. The main road went all the way around.
Yeah, and then
so
the
they
coffee
would use the Coloca road and come around the back.
Right up where to there, it was the coffee depot. That's where they used to roast the
back
coffee.
Of your pig pen.
Yeah, that's where they used to roast the
right,
coffee.
so we plan to climb up there, you know, the camera are working. We got there ready, you know. When the cameras are working, making look white. Because you know, some of the place already, because we've been through it already. So when the master the great house before, I could not think. And then we came to Marsman, Mr. Walker. And he said, no man, I'm not in the easy one go. And this is the matter about, so it's from the coffee, oh?
Yeah, right, it's same way.
Come all the way back to Silco Gully.
Yes.
That's for the great house.
Yeah,
and
right
go up
back.
the hill.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that's the problem.
With him plan to climb go. We're not gonna reach.
No, I just want to see the one just want to see the back of the house. I want to see the patio.
We can't see that far today. I think so we can reach that.
Maybe it's under the landslide because there was a large landslide here.
Yeah,
there was a landslide here in 1837.
That's if you are gonna see it now because you have to go up the hill to where that was.
That was dark. You have to come in the time.
A long time there with the phone on dead phone.
Okay,
you know
okay.
You know what I'd like to do? I would like for us
mosquito them bad up your one.
An opportunity to come and sit down and talk to you as an older person of the community with wisdom of the community. At the most acceptable time to you. That's what we are really asking of you right now. Because we know this is at the most, acceptable and convenient time. So at a time convenient to you, we're happy to come and sit down with you because we don't understand, for example, that this is a previous old post office. What they don't know is that I'm speaking. I'm speaking. What they do not know is that your father is one of the previous postmasters. I've not said anything of that to them. So they can learn of that side of it from you. I cannot tell you something for me to tell. You are greater and you know more knowledge than I have this area. So we'd like at a time better for you that we can come back.
Yeah, me about tomorrow, but me not about Friday, so.
We come back tomorrow.
Me about tomorrow.
So we can come visit you here?
Yeah man, me about tomorrow.
You see some of the things that they would like, that we would like to see and would like to go, only you can really show it in the time. You know, so I know a little, but I don't know everything. You know that already long time, eh? But like I told about this is Val, and we previously entered the access to Melee and back in your father's house. I was showing you the old Baptist church.
Yeah, man, I'll show you all of that, guys, on cam.
But I'd like for you to join us on this because you're a great, articulate, and experienced individual. So, what do you say? Tomorrow can come?
Yeah, I'm there about tomorrow. I'm not on a plan to leave here tomorrow, so I'm there about tomorrow.
Okay, alright. Yeah, man, free me. I'll link you tomorrow, is it?
Yeah, man, take care.
Alright.
I'm there on a mission.
Bless.
This is the foundation. Who know that, know that?
Peeps, yeah, so we reached the 4th bridge. And what's about the bridge, bro? You know about the bridge?
Okay. This bridge is the 4th and final bridge in a series of 4. From the tank down, that's alright. From the tank down the road to 2 bridges in between to this and 4th bridge. Now, this bridge is probably the most recent bridge. What would often happen is that when a storm or heavy rain fell, nobody could cross this point from here. So, what we have here is from the 90s. We usually, we are currently in drought conditions. When rain is falling, this is a typical running river as a collection of fresh water running from up in the mountains.
You know your water. Water run on that?
Yes, water sink. Water sink there, sir.
Oh,
and then you see where we crossed over before?
Yeah.
The water still sink. We're going to show you where it comes back up.
But it run on the road, but it sink on the same way.
Yes. I'm going to show you where it comes back up.
Okay.
The bridge on which Rasta stood. Come, walk me. This bridge on which Rasta stood is the 4th from bottom to top. And this then allowed for the one vehicle that was here, which was a truck, in the yard of the original great house that was built thereafter, that was based. So what now happens is that this bridge is built by the European Union. You'll see a sign down the road. So people were no longer stranded. But this was not developed and established until after Gilbert, which, as you know, is some 30 years ago. Up there, sir, is the flats of the Thompsons, and up here is also where many slaves traveled from St. Andrew, and it's also the local communal road for the members of Wakefield, Manic, Jones Pen.
Where's Monique?
Monique, you pass Monique about 2 miles and a quarter down the road.
Keep Monique down center.
No, that's one of the many Moniques that you know of. This Monique in St. Thomas. Alright, you see, you pass through Old Jones Pen because they had told you previously that the Old Jones Pen was dead. And there are no inhabitants, right? What I didn't tell you was that the new Jones Pen in which you met me was the epicenter of excitement and fun, right? So what you would find was that they would come from Wakefield, they would come from Manique, they would come from here in Mt Vernon, they would come from Old Jones Pen alike. And then they would party in Jones Pen. So when the whole community died, they all transferred from Wakefield and the Old Jones Pen to create the new Jones Pen. Oh. Now we stand in Mt Vernon. Mt Vernon is the old slave master's home, formerly known as Orange Grove, and the Spanish rule. Became Mt Vernon, and the Spanish rule, it was about citrus fruits, oranges, tangerine, mandarins, and there are many evidence of this throughout these properties. But under the English and also under the Spanish rules, you find a lot of caves where slaves had previously stored up wealth and traveled in order to communicate with each other. Now, under the English rule now, what we found was that apart from Paul Bogo and Nanny, bless my brother, who had decided to sell out the Spanish, as rightfully, to the English, who are no heroes of ours, right? This is my friend Riceman, come from high up in the mountains, coffee farmer, very successful at it also, right? Now, what is gone is this. During
Let's
walk and move. So you see, what has happened now, right, is that as a result of the English taking over from the Spanish, from Christopher Columbus, to the English arriving is that we turned over the Spanish in favor of the English for better treatment, for better agreement, for better future, and freedom from slavery. But we found that they lied. The English were no different to the Spanish. If anything, the English were worse.
They're never different, them worse.
They were worse because it was about capitalism,
Them just want everything for themselves.
commercialism, manipulation. The Bible is as bad as the English throne because it's all about how to dominate, imprison and enforce an authority upon those who do not know any better. I'm not a fanatic. I'm not a fanatic. I'm just a cultural man who has spent many years in the West, in England directly, under the throne and crown of Her Royal Highness Queen Victoria. Skip Charles, now coming to Prince who? Not Harry, because Harry bun weed, Harry drink, Harry relate to the black man, Harry relate to real life. So we go to William.
Alright, we don't want to get
son.
controversial.
Right? Who marries Kate, who goes to Sandringham, who has a perfect education, who follows the tradition. So here what? We're going to follow our ancestral tradition. We're going to learn our history, our heritage. We're going to start give what we're entitled to and value ourselves.
True.
And empower ourselves and free ourselves from the slavery and poverty that we found, that we've been placed in.
Good.
Yeah.
So peeps,
you leave this barbecue because you have enough information.
with all of this, we are going, you know what we find? We find a great house. Come. Bro, we need it with you. Peeps, this a part of the wall. Alright? Now, I haven't got enough information about this great house, but luckily, I've got someone with me who knows the history like that. But peeps, I've looked over this great house and trust me, since we come over on the phone of charge, I'm looking at one of the biggest great house I may ever find. Come with me, please. That's like the front of the house. This was the balcony. Alright? This was the balcony right here. Alright, peeps. First, before I even go around here, let me show you the entrance, the steps. Follow me. Catch the wall.
Walk through. Don't follow it. Follow the wall, go around. Follow the wall, go around. With the steps.
Stand on the steps. Walk up the steps. Talk as you walk.
Peeps, these were the entrance to the great house. This is like a veranda. This was the entrance to the great house. And peeps, I'm not seeing nothing yet. Trust me, one of the biggest great house this one will find. And it has a lot standing. Most of the remnants is still standing. It is huge, humongous. And guess what? I'm showing you all light. Wanna follow me? Aki.
Stay close, Aki. Keep up. Pick up the speed. Pick up the speed.
Peeps.
You have more on the camera?
Good, man.
So from here, right back to the front, this was just the balcony. Alright? So, I'm going to show you a piece more of the house. Come follow me, Aki. So, I'm going to take the steps. It's like polite to take the steps. Till real. So guys, no, we'll take it on the outside first. That wall, guys, it's a piece right there, peeps. You catch that?
Yeah.
It's a piece right there, peeps. But we're not going to, so now, let's go on the outside.
Still on the roadside.
So, what am I going to do? You show me the great house.
Okay, so we're going to walk in history. So we've started at the main entrance and we've taken the great steps. So now we're going to walk the length and breadth. So I would like for you to imagine just for a moment here, because darkness is fallen and time is against us. So I'd like for you to imagine that this great house, land stretches a quarter mile back. This great house falls onto a river, a gully, to the left of the camera presently, that would allow certain waterfalls from above to roll on. So we are starting from the coffee house and we are walking up. And as we walk up the road, walk with me. We're walking through history. We are still walking the fence line of the great house and great yard. Now as you will find as you go along on top side, we have a number of other houses that have been built on the premises of the great house. Okay? So here for example is a typical present day modern 4-bedroom, bathroom, kitchen and toilet facility. Presently still just in the front yard of the great house. So we continue to walk. So walk with me. We're gonna go, before we go up to the left of the great house, we're gonna continue to the very end of the great house. Okay. Okay. So now we have come to.
Peeps, that's the post office over there. That had once been the post office right there.
That's there, sir. The pink building.
The pink building was the post office.
Okay, bring camera. Okay, what I'd like to explain what I've missed out previously was this. This is a very small community, population 118. 66 members of this population are adults. 30 members of this population are actual farmers. The others are what you would call hustlers. Okay? We don't have a primary police station, nursery, school, doctor's outlet, or posts. However, what we do have is a remnants of what used to be. Okay, so this building here in pink, turn the camera around, before us is the last old post office to this area of Mt Vernon. Unfortunately, this has been dormant for some 10 years now. So it's not you, we have to travel to Trinity. Here. Okay. Now, still in Mt Vernon, still in Orange Grove, before the English invasion.
Okay guys, we're going to the school.
And the English. A school was established. This is called Mt Vernon. Mt Vernon Primary School. For more than 100 years, this here school has been the primary source of education, not just to the present community of Mt Vernon, but it also serves Jonespen. It used to serve the dead community here of Maley, Albion, and Wakefield alike. This was the only school here. Presently, we fight to keep this very here building open because the government has said we have less than the required number of students to keep this here building open. That is to say that enough fees are not being paid in order to maintain the upkeep of the grounds or that of the teachers.
No trucks not paying enough school fee now.
Right. Majority of farmers here are not of readable standards or literacy. Therefore, we try to understand. We're going to take a quick walk into the school and take a quick look. However, we're not deviating. We just want to demonstrate clearly that the property of Orange Grove here in Mt Vernon and a big house, the big yard, stretch still a couple of chains that also incorporated the views of the school once they worked on the hillside and the river and the low side once they continue to live on the hillside, so they're able to watch their slaves and monitor the education system all the way. The Baptist church was previously demolished and knocked down due to time and everything else. And we have a mission church. The Baptist church was allowed and established by the Spanish, and the English replaced that with the mission church, which does the same work.
These people were rich. They had a large building and it encompassed this area also, the school. So, follow me.
come in, man. Follow me, man. Too far behind. Take a picture where I'm there. The sign. Everybody know where you are.
You know Alex. And a picture.
Go and stand next to the sign yourself. Just stand next to it. You get that?
Mm-hmm.
You see the walk up?
Yeah, Pete, so well, go up them step here.
How far you must walk after coming to the summit. Imagine. Wait, Steve, look behind you. Look on the hill. You will see trees and endless hills. You can't
That's Wakefield. That's where we were the other day.
People had to travel over a mile in the hills to come down here just to get a basic education. Right? Yet still, we here in the free world today, we have to be begged to get the education being provided for us for free. In a free world. What did our ancestors fight for? Why are we here? So let's learn more. These big stones was a part of the original foundation. These big stones were harvested by slaves. See the size of them? You and I would say no, because we're not killing ourselves. But as slaves, we had no choices. We had to man these as they were and put them into place as they is, as we now see them before us. This angers me.
Tell you, it's not mad.
So let me just tuck the foot down there. Second.
Yeah.
So we're about to enter the first basic school of the free world of the slaves.
In Mt Vernon.
Of Mt Vernon, Albion, Waitsfield, and where on so? Mele. So it's like 4 communities makes up Mt Vernon. So don't be for 1 minute before the communities were disintegrated and were dead or dying, they merged. Before that, Mt Vernon was Orange Grove. And they lived as very successful people as Orange Grove under the rule of the Spanish until the English came in and they became this. They started trading tobacco and sugar cane, and that's why we have all the barbecues and we have the great house. And this land included. Another land that you can see behind you is also included in the property of the great house. The owners are not actually presently known because history has decided to leave them out because we might track their family down and fuck them up. Forget that part of it. Take in the school.
Yeah, bro, come we'll go get the house.
There it is. You can take in the rest. I'm kind of emotional right now. No answer nothing. Walk with the boss and let the boss talk on your video.
Peeps, can you see that? I like that turn on. What up, person now?
Take the camera with you more. And walk with me. This now is a cottage.
A cottage?
Yeah.
Was this here before the school?
This has always been a cottage on site. This has been modernized. So you have the school building here, primary building, the school building. So recently refurbished earlier. And show the shot from over there, so you can show the shot of the building there, so you know, so the one property is still there for now the same. This is a redundant toilet. This was built last year, late last year, for the students. This is the kitchen to prepare their food. And this here, this beauty, this is the cottage. Many residents have graced this cottage, but many of them have remained.
Yeah, peeps. And I see what I go on. This was all a slave and a slave management, slave plantation management. This was part of the slave plantation. This was the first school in Mt Vernon. where persons got a chance to get an education and they will have to walk far. So, listen, don't take education for granted now that you've got it on your laptops. Alright? That'll be the lesson for the day. Cut. Peeps, so the night I come down and we're not finished yet. We'll find the great house now. We'll find it early, but I'm showing it. Come in. So bro, we know about the great house. No. A piece like this now?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. A piece side. Mature.
Touch it?
Touch it?
Piece like this?
You know.
The great house. Peeps, this is one of the biggest great house. Again, I'm going to tell you that, but this one big. And you know what? It's got a lot of remnants where I see whole heap of the great house. So now follow me. The night kind of come down, so I use the light on the camera. Come. So you know, I don't like go through people yard, but somebody accompany me now, so we are go through there.
We say walking through the living room of the great house if you like.
Peeps, piece of the wall there right there, so. That's a piece of the wall up there, so. But we're not showing you that yet. Come with me. A people yard doing now, peeps. This is our people yard doing now.
We're in the veranda still of the great house.
If you don't want him on the team, type team in the comments. This speaks the next part of the great house. Explain to them, because you know more than me.
Okay now. See this part of the great house, all we've done from the bottom to the top is walk up on the veranda to the sitting room. We are now in the foyer. Right? As we English say, we're in the foyer. Right? This is where you enter the great house and you greet your host. So this is this level here. This is a step up. So you will come here. Right? We have a government house here. A 2-bedroom 1952 house here. What you do here in the great house, you come here and you step up 1, 2. And you knock on the door. We knocked on the door.
Oh, this is how the door is there.
Right. So somebody then open the door.
But I think they had a bathroom, like when I say bathroom, peeps, I don't mean bathroom where you, I mean bathroom like where they had baths. Like, you know, them exquisite building where they have baths.
Right.
I think this was the area.
Right. So we're simple, because you know, sir, we're far into the yard, you know, because you're going through the whole veranda and everything else already. You all have houses built upon us already, you know, chicken coop, more houses, pig pen. So you know, so we're going over lots of the place already. They show you now, like I say, this will be the bath area like when I watch a Russian movie. And them have the what them bath, then everybody just in the sun and the jacuzzi and say, yeah, but there.
Yeah, because they love the luxury life.
But this wasn't for the slaves. This was for the blacks. This were for the whites who owned this.
This man that owned this plantation was a black man. Married to a slave master wife. Or a slave, somebody from Germany.
It never started out that way.
Okay, okay.
He inherited it after it was already established.
It was inherited?
Yes.
Okay.
Because he married the daughter of the heir. In fact, the daughter was the heir.
Okay.
The
and he married to the daughter.
Right. So they married the daughter because she fell in love with a slave. She get this. So it was left to the family.
Peeps,
done
something for sure now. Come here. Akeem, follow me. Follow me quick. Drop another owner, please.
The overdrop in the place.
Pine sucker took me up.
This is where the spillway was. Down to the river. If you notice, the wall is here going right down to the river. Now there's a step over there. Akeem, come down from the wall. Don't drop it. And we don't have insurance.
Exactly.
That step over there, peeps, that was where they took to come down in the pool. There was a pool here right here, and the river is right over there. The river is right over there. So the spillway was here where the water came up. So the water wheel, peeps, the water wheel would have been somewhere around here, but maybe the river washed it away. However, we can't find that without a drone, so we have to use a drone to find that. But this was the pool area, alright? So we are showing the rest of the house. Follow me. Alright, may I follow you, Akin? Go on.
Inside the building, you have the same. Your building back here,
right here.
Yes, this is the building. You see the man in red I was speaking to earlier?
Peeps, this
we're going to his property now. This is our
part
building.
of the building, same way. So we're still not the building. Come with me. And just to show you guys that this here was the foyer. You notice how the wall them different? Them round. Because you had us to lean over the wall just to see what was going on down there. This was like a balcony up here, as he told you.
It'll be like, hey Rapunzel, where are you? Throw down your hair.
Yes.
Rapunzel climb up right now. Ooh, you're killing me. You're killing. That's it.
Yeah.
We'll take a step up, even though we never stored now.
History. So guys, explain to them. I don't know which part of the house this means.
Okay, so we're still in the back part of the house. We're still in the mansion, you know. We see mansion in those days wasn't upstairs and downstairs. Mansion in those days was huge and stretched back. So we are still within the confine of this mansion. Now you see, what we're leading it to is this. And the next level is above us there. We are accessing or entering a barbecue where the sugar cane and the coffee used to be left to dry. The chocolate.
You know why we not find a water wheel, bro? They never need a water wheel.
Come, go with him, 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 go with him. Run, man, run, man, run, man, run. You run, you want to keep fire. Run.
Peeps, you
The
know
pants
why
too tight.
we never did find a water wheel? They did not need a water wheel.
No.
Because the river came from up on a hill.
Right.
So all they needed was the spillway. They didn't need a water wheel.
Here is the whole.
So make we move on to the more construction. Yeah.
Right. Look on this now. To confirm what you just said.
Construction right
This
here.
water shows us from above the water.
Just press the camera button below the record button and take a picture of the record.
Yeah.
You take it?
Yeah. Wait, don't move it. We're taking it one thing.
Take it?
Yeah. You have to tell me now, we have to listen up really asking. Okay, see, all the pipes lead down the hill, right?
Yeah. Them time that them water.
Look on this now, at the 3rd floor in the house.
The 3rd floor, because you notice this guys is our next uprise.
Level up. So at the 3rd floor you're up to now. Alright. Now on this floor now, if you notice, the structure is somewhat different.
You guys, as I told you already, when the phone was charging, I walked through the construction of the house. We are going to cross over in the bush too, because this house is very large. But the thing is, we have information about the house. So now follow me.
Now look on this. Here, chocolate will be left to dry. Go all the way over to the corner back here, so this is the backyard.
Okay, this is a recent history.
Yes.
No, I want to know about the ancient history.
Even then, this is what they call bakers.
Bakers, okay.
Yeah? So back in the day, they would say our barbecues. So the barbecues, this level and that level is a barbecue.
Okay.
So on a barbecue, you put things to dry. You see, when fertilizer manure back in those days wasn't made by iPro Feed or one of them ones there. Yeah, it was taking the cow dung and the donkey manure and drying it up and then re-putting it at the roots of the plantation in order to get the fertilizer. That's where you get the organic. Oh, sorry, we're going this way.
Peeps, this a part of the construction again. Is our next fourth. Is the next level.
4th level. We're going to stand
The
above
4th
you.
level.
We're going
Up.
to stand above you so you can take a picture. We're going way over there, so we're not going to this way. You know, so you have trouble.
But peeps, this is just one wall. I think the water wheel there on us if they have a water wheel. Because if me drop over here, so right now, a problem.
You know, man. You see what design? It's right of it. You see what we're standing on? Forget the architrave.
So if you were on the river, peeps, you couldn't attack the house. If you came down out the bush from Albion Mountain, you couldn't attack the house because they had high walls just to the back of the foundation. And you couldn't climb it.
More than 10 foot down there, so you know.
10 feet?
More than 10 feet down there, so. So you have to understand, say, I hang up with that. And we're currently standing on a wall. Don't let the architrave fool you. It only takes 15 years for architrave of this length to get to this size.
But peeps, there is even yet another level.
Yes, we're going to it now.
Cut. Yeah, peeps, so this is the 5th and final floor of the great house that we found. Come in and see what time again. You see the wall, peeps? Show them the wall, actually.
This goes on for 2 chains.
And you know, he said that this goes on for 2 chains. There's an next wall up here, right?
Due to landslide.
And next wall is up there.
Yeah, but you're not going to reach it now. Okay. You're going to tick it.
So peeps, we can't go in and we can't find the next wall. It's about 2 chains away, and then night will come. And night will rain.
Landslide of time and soil erosion, it's caused some of it to come down into the gully that side and cause this here so to fill up. That's how we're able to sit here where we are now.
Because this was like the top of the 2nd floor.
Absolutely. So you see here, if you're coming on the gully and you're coming from over there and you're considering robbing this place, you'll be seeing because guards will post it in these regions.
So peeps, we found the great house. And this one is very large. I'm not sure if we're going to get to go to the other side because it's dark. We're not going to get
to go to the other side.
It's dark now, but I can tell you because I walked over there when the phone was charging. And it's very large. Alright? So we're not going to get to go to the other side. So, as you guys know, this is Alex and Akeem. We just say, bless.
The Ardley Hospital. This hospital is almost lost to history. I say lost to history because I cannot find any documented information available about this hospital. Although it appears to have been abandoned in recent times, it still has the hospital colors clearly visible. However, according to my conversations with residents, they say the hospital has been abandoned for over 50 years. Many people in the parish of St. Thomas, including my father and JC's mom, were born in that very hospital. If any subscribers or visitors to my channel are able to shed a light on the Ardley Hospital, any information at all, please do not hesitate to leave a comment or contact me at the number on screen. Thank you.
Yeah guys, so this is the hospital guys. Yeah man, this was the Ardley Hospital, the first hospital, well the first civilian hospital in St. Thomas, because the first hospital in St. Thomas was a military hospital. Alright, so this is the Ardley Hospital ruins. This place must be haunted though. I don't know. Oh, I don't hear now. Baby a cry or the old people a weep. But let me see if I can walk. Godfrey! The hospital! Guys, that's the great house up there. It was right above the hospital. That's a room right here. Could have been a bathroom or office. Don't seem to be an office because it had no windows. But as you notice, this was sort of more modern. It has sockets in the walls. Yeah, they had the hospital. They had to add electricity because, yeah, it's a hospital. This is another part of the hospital. This looks like a seating area. It was really a large place. That's the breaker box down there in the corner. Yeah, they had electricity. You come around here. And it's still paint in the hospital color, guys. Yeah. think is another breaker box over here. Yeah guys, that's another breaker box over there. Wow, guys, now check out that. Now check out this. Godfrey. Check out this, guys. We find where them burn the body them. Guys, that's a hole right there. Not sure what that is. Yeah, I'm not sure what this building is, guys, but yeah, it's built as like a chapel. And we have around here, around the back. Godfrey. Hospital. Yeah, one pit round there. Yeah. And them have a problem when them try to use them bird paper. Because people say the hospital don't because the history of Jamaica has been hidden so much, we will not even know about one old hospital that did not St. Thomas. Not even the nurse and the doctor them sometimes don't know. So people, when I watch the video, let it be learned here. If you did born at Ardley Hospital, refer them to the video here when you have problem with the ID. And leave a comment if you were born at the Ardley Hospital in St. Thomas.
Respect, my brother Alex's father was born here.
Yeah.
And him have a problem with him.
Bird paper.
Bird paper.
Alright.
Yes, that this hospital does not exist.
Alright. I don't know. The teacher, them not teach nothing at school, man, because they weren't. Them never did get teach nothing either.
Don't say that, Alex. The teacher them teach you what they learn and what they know.
So true.
So, my brother, don't blame the teacher.
This round here, sir. Round here, sir. Well, I could try for further what them never do.
Thank you.
What them never get a chance to do.
Because those teachers teach we to be so excellent.
Who we are.
Yes, we're grateful for
at least we can read and we can research to find out the knowledge yourself.
Respect. And if we tell a lie, we can correct with too.
Yeah, I'm willing to be corrected.
Thank you.
Guys, this is an emergency.
Yes, man.
Casualty. You notice hospitals are always painted in blue or green, but emergency painting are red.
Yeah.
That are inside, guys. If you notice the red paint right here.
Emergency room and stuff.
Be careful. No current no run come up here again. Electricity, guys.
People.
Emergency area where the ambulance would have come in. If you notice, you have the big arch them.
Yes, around there was the drive-in there.
I don't know where them drive still, but I know say. Right there, sir. Down that side. So I'm railing right here, sir. See the driveway, Godfrey? You drive from down there, sir, and you come up, and them no drive through the arch, you know. Them drive come up in the middle here, sir.
Come around back? No.
Yes, sir. Them drive come somewhere, sir, man.
Yeah.
And let off. Because
and the push go in there.
Yeah. Because yes, sir, the entrance.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Oh, hold it, sir, Godfrey. Don't drop night. Yeah, guys, so that's up at the hospital. Well, if a building over here will miss me. Eh? We find everything up there now.
All the great house are right down there when I go through the...
All the great house up there, sir.
Now, let's move on to the first Ardley Great House. I say the first Ardley Great House because they had relocated to a new location. The Ardley Great House was built in 1782, and at that time it was owned by Matthew Gregory, who was a resident slave owner in Jamaica. According to the 1772 will of the Honorable John Scott, and shown in monumental inscriptions as the younger, presumably to distinguish him from his father, Matthew Gregory Sr., who died in 1715, This man was the father-in-law of the Honorable John Scott and also the grandfather of Monk Lewis. The Ardley estate was served by a water system that stretched miles from the Planting Garden River to service a number of other estates in the area. The terrain was such that the aqueduct system was required. It passed through the floodgates of both Ardley and Amity Hall. In 1818, when the owner Matthew Gregory visited, there was a storm and the estate was flooded. Hence, the gates were installed. The original Ardley Great House was located in the hills, some distance away from the works and the slave huts. The old Great House was described by Lady Nugent in her journal. Sometime later, the Great House was relocated to a new site, probably due to flooding and or landslides. Igman also noted that the architectural style of the Great House now reflected Creole taste. During the 1865 Mark Bay Rebellion, the house served as a gathering point for the local white population. I wasn't expecting to find the ruins of this great house at all, for it wasn't on my agenda. This was the first Ardley Great House before it was relocated to the new property that is still standing to this day. Let me give you a quick definition of what a great house is, because people always ask why I refer to these buildings as great houses. A great house was a seat of authority on an estate. It was the home of planters or attorneys who acted on behalf of absent owners. The size and profitability of the property and the wealth of the owner determined the size of the house. These houses were usually two-story buildings with brick, cut stone, and mortar foundations. The top floors were usually made of timber. Variations of this archetype included one-story buildings of timber, cut stone, Spanish walling, or wattle and daub, or ones made of bricks.
The place where we have to around there. Look up there, bro.
There things up there.
So one something there. And there one. There things up there, you know. So one thing there. Whoa.
Yeah, guys. One column there, guys. That's one of the column them. You could go up there. Huh? That's it. Yo. I see building outside us. I saw me. Piece of wall, this.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, guys. Piece of wall, this. Piece of hospital wall, this.
Yeah.
You see how far we are come to doing them video.
Yeah, and look there again. It's a piece more there, Alex, roll down.
Yeah.
And stop there, so I tree road.
Look over there, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Some stone. Some stone them there.
And we are climbing.
Yeah. That is it.
You have to climb to go to our hospital. You didn't get through.
No, the road with all around us are still, you know. But we, you know, take it on a different. Eh?
Don't slide, no?
No, man. 2 hours can't slide one time.
But if you slide like 2 hours,
Oh, no, do that, Alex. We have
we
vlogs.
I've seen something, guys. This is something up
People.
here we never expect.
People. Uno know say uno a go hear Alex like that because Godfrey no cut out.
You know me get excited enough.
Long time.
Things. Alright, so it can't be part of the hospital, Godfrey. Guys, look like we find something we never did look for. This is what we found.
Look at this. How are this, Alex? Chimney something.
Chimney.
Yeah, look at it.
Hold on. This is not what we were searching for, guys. We'll find something else. Fireplace, yeah?
Yeah, this is fireplace. Look at that.
Tunnel?
Yeah. Fireplace is real.
Yeah.
This is real fireplace, my brother. Real. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. And you see, you can see over the next side, you know. You see that? Camera always work better than my eye. Yeah, guys, so this is not what we searched for, but this is what we found. Okay. Swan chimney, I know. Guys, chimney. So this would have the up on top of that. Or swan chimney over here, you know. We have all gutter. We have guttering for water. Whoa! Yo, come like we now go reach a Portland today. One big piece over there, son.
Brother, can I say something to you? Yes, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir?
At top of the hospital, the hospital down there, sir.
Yeah.
We go up that step here.
People.
Yeah, guys.
What is that, Alex? We don't know as yet, but we are checking in. So, our next step, you are walk on one.
Yeah, you walk on the next step.
Yeah.
Yeah, a 2-step.
A 2-step, and a 2 out.
Yes.
But this is literally a fireplace again.
Yeah, that me tell you about our fireplace, man.
Fireplace up here, so one.
Incinerator.
And you know, said this to me. This was like,
more like a oven.
In a building.
Yeah, them put, that's what them usually have them kitchen
The
oven.
next piece where you see broke off and drop down there, so the chimney used to gone
drop on top of this.
Yeah.
This is the chimney.
Yeah.
This is the chimney in the house.
Yeah.
So we're in the living room. This is the living room.
Somewhere there.
Yeah, man, our living room. So go over here, so now we have a kitchen over here, so. See the kitchen here? You see me tell you? See the kitchen that got free. We have 2 sinks. This is 1 sink, guys. 2 sinks. So, be careful. Are them big stone you want to drop on your foot?
Welcome. I'm here anyway.
Them the big stone there?
I saw it go. I know you step good.
Okay.
That is it. That are the problem.
Yeah, guys. Old military hospital there first. Yeah. We are going to find out when we go down there, sir. Guys, and it's like we can't get enough because this a piece more than a peeps. And if we look up there, so we still have columns going up. The next piece of the construction here, guys. Yeah. So our next building up there, sir. You know? Next building up there, sir. Here, guys. Another part of the building. And plus, I'm above this one. I never shown the piece here. Look, see Peter behind you. That's what I tell me about pit. And look there, see the pit there. One step around us.
What was this? Look here, Alex.
Eh? This look like one administrative building or something where you walk up, you know. This separate from all of the other building them. Because the step there right there, so. Yeah. That's the step right there. Yeah. Going up. And look at people. This is a small building. A rather small building. That's one end of the building, guys. And the next end over there. It's a rather small building. Could be an administrative office or something like that. It's a really large site, guys. And we are not where we have headed out to go as yet. There is that side over there, guys. That's that side over there. That's another part down there. No, it's a small building, administrative building. This is a well.
This is a well.
Yeah, guys. The well right here, guys.
That is it. When I need high yes, this is a well.
This is a well, guys.
Yeah. And if you observe our desert here, we come down to the well.
You see, we have landslide in there. If you notice a piece of wall there, right there, so that piece of wall there, I come out from under the ground. So landslide actually come down.
Yeah.
So that is why it's like this. Maybe that's why them did move. And guys, that's how I've never shown. If you look down there, more building, guys. Yeah, the pipe them. These are the pipes that come out of the well, guys. So you know it, I get the water here. This would have been where the top would have been. See top column, eh? Right, that's so the pipe would have there.
Yeah.
You see me? See, I get water.
Yo, we have to catch him little bit. I know that he put on his skating boots, so I have to get low.
See the guys?
Yeah.
It seems they had landslide here. because we notice again, here is basically covered.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. And if you notice, that was like a back step pallet.
And brick down there, sir?
Yeah, man, I want now this one whole brick column.
Brick
So
column.
you can-
Two building in a one.
Mm-hmm.
Go behind it, not go on.
Yeah, man. This place, you know, is really a whole place. Yeah, but you know, if you notice, it not built with it. You know, some cut stone build it.
Cut stone, then just put the knee plaster over it.
Yeah.
You see me? As me tell you, you know, the Audley Hospital there and then the refurbishing, you know, so maybe then the bill come up in the hill.
How does some of this look like back tank, yeah?
Go on.
For a long time.
You know, I stand up one place too long for 40 leg going out shooting. Keep moving.
Look at my brother. All the way up and they used to keep more ruins round.
Yeah. Round the back round, so.
Yeah. Going cross the hill and the hospital I go down.
You see the hospital down there, sir?
Yeah.
Guys.
Yeah, man, it look like a
Hold on, sitting on my eye.
place. The whole thing, Alex.
Guys.
Yeah, look, it's a perfect stone wall.
You're up on a step,
What the
Godfrey.
stone wall represent?
The whole of building of the there. Wall, you know, Godfrey?
Yes, you know, you may tell you, bro. Says a wall, a perfect wall.
Guys, this wall out of place up in the hill up here, you know?
Yeah, look, see it there by itself. And we are trying to get on top of it.
Standing by itself right here. So, me tell you, you know, them suffer from a landslide up here, you know? So, next piece of building over there, sir.
Yeah,
we go over there, sir. So, I go through it.
Yeah, it gives the good content to you, my people, see it. And see it. This is a Haitian fucking here, so now come back from John.
Wall, listen up.
Yeah?
Wall at the front, wall you step up on it. Guys, I realize these stones were replaced.
I say hold them out.
No. Godfrey, you know what I go on?
Yeah.
Me tell you what I go on. Guys, me tell you what I go on. You know what I go on right here, sir? We're up on a site, we're 3 times over. There was an original site here, then the hospital bill here, and then them bill again when them refurbished the hospital, so it's kind of confusing. Because these stone walls that we are see, them stone walls there from the 1600s. You don't know that. But the concrete walls that we are seeing right now, these would be like from the 1920s, 1930s. However, we still have the older foundation we find over there, so the one that we found with the chimney. That would be like from the 1800s coming up. So 3 different sites we have in one, guys. We'll try to cover everything. And be here with me. Hold on, Godfrey. I find something here, sir. I find something but I get blocked up on we. This, what is?
Now tell you, man, so this is amazing. Come over here, sir.
Guys, this is under the structure here. Not sure what this structure is, so I'll lizard up this. Not sure what this structure is, guys. But it look like a secure building.
Well secure.
Yeah.
Yeah, my first thing come out of my mouth.
If a jail. I don't think they would have no jail up here still. But I have to find out which building they are first. It's a piece more old construction, the guys. That a piece more, if you notice the old wall right here. And they did this over because there's brick underneath. Yeah? Godfrey, now go down up here. So guys, we still see more construction again. Guys, this is another part of the structure right here. You never see this? This is a step going up. And this is another part of the building right here. This, guys, is another part of the building. Yeah. Proper. Godfrey, look out the road I walk on. You can see out there? Oh, like a smart way, mother no. Yeah guys, we leave people out the road so we wonder where we're going. Oh. Alright, so we'll go back home.
Yeah, man. Because we not done up there no about.
But we have more to swim. Because we have a bigger site. See truck, yeah? Well, I know. Yeah, somebody out the road say hardly great house. We'll find it. There where I come from. Godfrey. Hey. Look on this house over here, sir. Look on that house over there, so peeps. We don't look there.
We don't see that one there yet.
So look front of Godfrey. I want ditch the front of we can't go nowhere. Guys, you don't look there.
My God.
What ditch the front away?
My God, my bro.
We never see that part there and look down here, so. See the hospital here, so, you know. Down there we have to go, you know.
Yeah, man, we have to go down there. Give me your camera.
No, man, I'm good. Alright, hold it.
I want to go down there.
Film me, you know.
Yeah, man. That one, though. Wow, my people.
Yeah, guys.
It's right round.
Is a ditch the front away?
We're going down there.
Down there. Got
Yes.
to don't walk with me, walk if you can't walk there.
Bro, G. I walk on my back if it come to it test. I tell you, say, nothing now do you phone them. My word. Alright, take that one now. See my people, see my got take the phone. Yeah.
Godfrey, yeah, come down.
Yeah, man. Hold that one too.
Anger.
That is it, my brother. That is it. It's cool.
Cool.
So
I go back up there. One more climb up. Them I wonder where up here do so long.
As you can see,
it had been broken down.
Going on. For all the years, my people.
This is the great house, Godfrey. See the thing here. Guys, look at the columns. This was the great house.
This was hardly great house.
Yes. Out the road a while ago, I tell them, say, hardly great house.
Thing, man.
This was hardly, watch a stone, don't make it roll back one, you know.
No.
Look for us. This was the hardly great house, guys.
Yeah.
So find the hardly great house, we can mark that off in our books. But I don't know how me stay already. Me have to walk round the house before I go inside, but I'm not going to do that time because I'm so entirely.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not tired, it's a manual. Yeah. You know, say, a place that is well secure. Look there. Me, I wonder if them used to lock up people up here, sir. Well secure, no?
Yeah, man.
Look here, look on them in there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Look over your head.
Yeah, man. Watch out. Iron bar, water that. Water.
But,
so you got to feel it.
Something not right about that place, Godfrey. May I get the feeling there again, Godfrey?
Yeah. That place, look
at the house,
this
you know.
is a partition in here.
Yes,
so, you know.
yes, but we on the white stay that way there. Guys, I'm going to show you guys how here is. But we sure so that the great house because of these columns.
Yes.
We can be sure because of them columns up on the great house. So sure so find the great house. However, there are rooms inside here where it look like somebody are sleeping there. You have to come out and see you in the car.
Yeah, we did a glimpse of around there, so Alex.
It's a dead man in here, sir, dog.
Eh?
It's a dead man in here, sir.
I can see him now. You two want to see him now.
Can't put him on YouTube.
We can't even get no
So
light.
the next room there,
camera.
guys. You can turn on the flash, man.
I know that. I don't see the way how to put on my flash from here, so. Oh, me have flame. I normally press my screen and it come up. But me do something wrong at late.
Yeah, guys, so this is inside of the house. Bathroom here.
A bathroom here.
One each window, each side of the window for one of the places. See face basin out there, sir. Yeah. Guys, face basin. So the middle live in a luxury now, Godfrey. Bathroom section over here. Them have a step this go upstairs. Look here, look over your head. Them have a step go upstairs. To go up another section there.
Go up in there, sir.
Yeah.
Down. But you know, so I go to climb up.
See, here's the step there, guys, where you'd walk and go upstairs. And there's another pipe right there. That would be a shower. So, a shower around us, Godfrey.
Yeah, I want you to
This looked like it was just a bathroom area. Over here, saw the house now. Godfrey, watch us. So our next house up there, so I want to see now. Guys, there's another house up there. Me not think me I reach back up. There's a car the hill hard for climb. Guys, you see that? Look like it get shoot up though. From Cannon.
It's on wall.
Yeah.
Wouldn't reach us.
From, yeah. Yes, every Cannon upon wheel. We can come from sea still now. Yeah guys, so we in the hardly great house. Godfrey, round we are round up now for leaving now. Yo, you don't see how the house big, you don't see how far me there? And the same house, you know? And that's the house this way now, you know? Guys, that's another column of the house. If you notice, it's going all the way down there. So our next column here. This is one wall right here, so they didn't have any electricity, but them surely did have running water. Over here, another side. Now me just a walk. I'm not sure if there are any holes here, guys, but I don't know how this go. Look at this. One tree growing at the house. Eh? And over here, guys. Me see something too. Yeah, guys, so this is another part of the house, another room. And notice how it used to stay now. It's all like vines and all of that. Yeah, guys, another column. That's a step, guys, going up. The house is big, you know. It's part of the house right there, you know. This have to be a whole day thing. Up here full. Guys, honestly, we won't be able to show everything because we're at for Portland. Now come. Guys, what we never pass here, so? When I look on this column here.
What is this? I found something. And it's structured different from everything.
It's built different and it there before everything else.
Look at this. It's coming up all the way up
all
here.
The way. Like it's a tank and like,
look, look on this, sir. Like iron, and look over there, sir. The same thing.
Oh.
With steel.
Look like somewhere you walk across in the house.
Look.
Well, Anna, Godfrey.
Yeah.
You walk across. The house is built up, man. There's a walkway if you go across in the house. So you walk.
So you have to go upstairs. We go upstairs.
Because if you notice the house over there, it's the same way.
Going up.
Guys, start again over there, so. Plus, if you look up there, more house. So an upstairs piece up there, so Godfrey.
Yeah.
But we now get to go up there, so. No. Guys, that's another house up there. I never see it. As the piece over there, so to Godfrey. Look over there, so. Guys, let's see if we can find a way back out of the bush.
Yeah, man.
It's really complicated to come out, you know. Happy again?
Yeah.
Guys, the house is big.
Huge.
We can't leave it, Godfrey.
No, let me tell you.
Piece more the house, the peeps.
Run down, as I said.
And this is a step.
Look where the step I come from,
step,
bro.
I go up to the greater part of the house.
Yeah, to the greater part.
Because that's why the steps are here.
Yes.
The leader go up. And once you're going up.
Look now, brother. Look now. When you come down that set of step here,
guys.
One place where you branch out.
So one next one of the passage thing them,
yeah.
Where you walk and go across. So you walk from so come up on the step, come another one that come up. You see me? Sure. Guys, so our next part of the house.
Yeah. Look.
So our next piece of the house up there, so peeps. And if you look in the background, guys, you still see our next piece up there, so. Guys, honestly, this video is gonna take a video like this because time is against you. You know, Godfrey have to get back to work. We have to Portland, and then we have to go back to country. This is our next side of the house, guys. This is another side of the house. And you see over there, so guys? Over there. And then up there, guys. So our next piece up. You see that? So I'm not sure where we're complete this. It's already confusing.
You have to build up on a complete pit. You have to huge well
tile it.
The gas before the cap. One hole up here from the general. Look. Peter, this wall?
Yeah, the toilet.
Alright, now look here now.
Water run under here,
Look
sir.
under here, sir. You see how it's structure look on the
Wow.
design and the settings, my bro. My God.
Real plumbing, you know.
Jeez, my God, man. Tell you,
So the
man.
feces go down through the pipe there. And water, if a water run out, but feces stay.
I want to say this Alex without an apology. Right now, every time I see this type of building,
But
I
then
feel
the people them build better than we, you know.
the people, we feel like we don't know nothing about building.
We don't know nothing about building construction, Godfrey.
So one next something there, Alex. One next toilet.
Toilet, yeah.
Yeah.
We don't know nothing upstairs toilet them, you know.
Yeah.
We don't know nothing about building construction,
We don't know
Godfrey.
about building construction.
And we can't walk so near the pit.
Look how the building.
Godfrey, move from near the pit, Godfrey. Cause more work good there.
Yes,
See truck you reach out, fan. Guys, and if you look up there, that's another piece of house.
You
Up.
walk and go
You
cross.
see me? Oh, now go back up there, sir.
The piece of building that's away. You know?
Come here, we'll go back down that side there.
You know, people say we start here, we cut cross inside the hill and come back here.
One house here. It's a house right here, sir. Guys, this was a large house.
Huge.
Really huge. Humongous. You know, see how far it come from.
And look on the structure there.
Well built. And we are walk on construction a ground too, you know. Alright. So I road down there, sir. We see that when we come up, you know. Brick.
Yeah, I don't know. Not really a step up, but it was like, you know. And don't go see how people different.
Look different now. The whole of brick, them original brick.
We are going down. Yeah, no worry. What do you mean? That is it, we're going down there, my people. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys. Let's see what we are going through. I love it.
Wow.
Some people want to see them on TikTok.
It's a short that is a tall. That is a tall. I'm glad we catch you. I'm glad we catch you.
Some people want to see them on TikTok. We prefer this.
Yeah, man, a reality, my brother. That is it. Yeah, man.